All right, here's a little later model specialty or sports car, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. If you're looking for a great little two-seat roadster with a combination of style, comfort, and fun, here you go. 2008 Audi TT 3.2 Quattro. This is a premium, so nicely equipped vehicle here. Like I said, 3.2, so you get a 3.2 liter V6 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, direct shift gearbox, it was called, from Audi. FYI, the Audi rings that you see on the hood there, that is vinyl, and would be able to come off if you'd like that off. It's kind of got the orange or tan accent to set off the interior on this. This particular car, I believe there's a few different colors of silver in these cars. I believe this is the Sahara silver metallic with the signal orange fine leather interior. I believe that's going to be the color combination of it. We don't get a ton of these in, so shooting from the hip a little bit, but you can do your research, check it out, see what you come up with. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, right down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you directly to our uniqueclassiccars.com website where you can see pictures of this car. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you get any questions on it, like to inquire about it, feel free to give us a call. Riding on the stock rims, very nice looking wheels in this car. You can check out in the still pictures too, as far as the tires, tread depth, underside of the car, see how clean it is, check out the interior. A ton of still pictures also taken on this car. It does have a black top. Black top is a nice shape. As you can see, the stock signal orange leather interior is also a nice shape. Rich looking interior in this car. Vehicle has a little over 100,000 miles on it. A lot of miles to go. Some fun summertime driving. And as you can see on the rear bumper, it kind of has the same style of vinyl logo that's put on the rear bumper as the hood. Again, that is vinyl. A little heat gun that could be taken off if you just wanted the car plain. Again, there you can see the black cloth top. It is a power top. Power top goes up and down on its own. We have pictures, once again, of the top up, top down, so you can check that out, see what kind of shape it's in. Take a look at this car with the top up. And again, easiest way to get there, look down below this video in the description. There is a link that'll take you straight to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check out the pictures there. Once again, 507-386-1726 is the number we can be reached at. Now we can assist you with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're located at. And we do have financing options available if you'd like to discuss any of that with us. You can see up and down the side of this car, it's extremely ding free, let's put it that way. Sometimes you start to get the door dings, the scratches and what have you, and a car gets, in this one, in this case, 11 going on 12 years old. Very, very nice shape. Around the front too, I noticed that earlier when I was going around the car, yeah, you're gonna find, it's a 100,000 mile car, you're gonna find a few nicks and a few rock chips and scratches here and there, but overall, just take a look at this. Very, very nice shape. Say for the miles on the car, it's been well taken care of, it sure appears. That leads me to the Carfax on it. No accidents indicated on the Carfax, so accident-free Carfax also on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I was going to point out one thing. The suspension dampeners have set off a warning indicator light that I did notice was on here. So there's a little suspension light. Like I said, people will still drive them after that, but they do tell you check out the suspension dampeners on it. That's what that one little light is there for. The other thing, there's your miles, 101,889. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Everything else appears to be stock. as far as stereo. One would have came from Audi, no cracked dash. Gauges and everything appear to be working. Interior's also in very nice shape. I'm going to go ahead, slip around to the back so you can hear this car run. Very smooth running car. Dual exhaust coming out the back here, so it's not smoking, anything like that. I'm going to take a little pause of the video here. 1 second to pop this hood. At least you can check out the engine bay. See how nice and tidy that is. See what you think. All right, let's take a look under the hood here. See how clean this is. There's a V6, 3.2 liter. What you'd expect out of a stock Audi TT. I don't see any modifications to it again. Not an expert on it, but everything appears to be the way it would have came when it was new. So there you go. 2008 Audi TT Premium 3.2 liter Quattro. Nice little convertible 2-seat roadster. Give us a call. Number once again, 507-386-1726. Of course, you want to go right to the still pictures and check this out. Down below the description of this video, there's a link. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Look forward to hearing from you.